Well, this is how our day started. If you hang around, you'll get to find out how we made it to this. Hello, welcome to Vlogmas. It's day number 30. Is that right? 30. Yeah, 30. My goodness. Rob is already in the bathroom working on sanding out the walls, and just continuing to work on the bathroom is what our plan is for today. Also, my job will be packing up some of our living room things. I get to try to tackle some of this mess. I need to finish sewing a pot holder. Got one more left, and then I'm going to pack up that thing, as well as the china hutch, that little table, the closet, and this. So later on we need to go get stuff to put inside the bathroom, and that will be part of our job today too. So we have a lot of things going on. Yeah. Welcome to Vlogmas, getting ready to move.
Originally had just a 2-foot basement, right? 2-foot maybe.
Okay.
Okay. So your standard 24-inch basement, you're all need, families are all need, right?
Yeah, that's fine. I do like having more space, like ours had more space.
Because physically it was a smaller sink.
Yeah, I would like that.
Our sink was 16 inches. So
It's just nicer to have a little more space to put stuff on.
okay.
All right, now it's my turn. I get to wear the gloves and use the TSP and wash down the walls again. Cool, it looks cute. Nice.
Not much to beat right now.
It smells very painty.
Oh, be whiz bang! Ain't just paint his paint. Well, hey! Things must be painting, I guess, right?
Ooh, looking good, babe. So here's a little look how I'm packing up plates and china. So I'm placing them between paper plates if I have paper plates. Otherwise, it's between paper, a couple of sheets, and we want only 6 plates wrapped up together. 1, 2, 3. Four, 5, 6. I need more paper. And then I'm going to wrap this all up together. Now I'm going to place it in the box sideways. Put some crushed stuff in the bottom. That's why I saved all these bags. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now the plate's going sideways. And I'll put something else on this side and then more bags on top. All right, we're coming to check on Robert. He's got flooring out. Painted.
Is that all you need to help with?
Oh no, actually. If you want to go grab it and talk.
Now we just need to go to Home Depot and pick out the fixtures and toilet. Well, we did it. We got our stuff from Home Depot and we're on our way home. Got stuff for the Goodwill. And I unpacked that, or packed that thing. And then all those boxes right there are from the China hutch and the sewing cabinet. Got a box of garbage. Have a tired husband. All right, you guys, that is it for Vlogmas Day 30. It was a long day, right, Rob?
Yep. I had enough.
Yes. So we will see you tomorrow for our last Vlogmas of the year. If you would like to be part of our Christmas card exchange or on our mailing list, please write us or send us a card.